All right, Bobby.
Yeah, Brent. Woo.
It's party time, boy.
I can't wait
to do this.
Can't wait to go to this party.
Yeah, and yeah.
What?
What is
this?
this?
This is just a new style, Brent. You didn't hear?
What
Yeah,
are you doing?
I don't know.
Are we going to a funeral?
No, it's swag, Brent.
Are we going to like a Mennonite funeral? What is
Brent,
this?
it's called swag. It's something that you do when you're cool.
That's what swag is?
Yeah.
I'm really excited to try out that dessert you made.
Wait, you have the dessert, right?
No, you were supposed to make it.
No,
you have the dessert.
I thought you were supposed to make the dessert.
You have the dessert.
Brent,
do you not have the dessert?
Brent, I don't have the dessert. We have to be at this party in like 10 minutes. All right, Brent, so we got 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
To make this dessert for this vegan party that we're going to.
You know what? I got a perfect idea here.
Oh, you do?
We only need 2 ingredients to do it.
What?
We need dates, coconut.
Oh my God, dates and coconut.
You know what we're gonna do with them?
What?
Make coconut date balls.
Oh my God, Brent, I
Next.
love that.
And now you know.
Okay, Brent, so here is what you're gonna need to make these coconut date balls. That seems really easy.
It's extremely easy, Bobby,
Yeah.
and we can do it in 5 minutes.
Oh my God.
We'll still be able to get to our weird Amish Mennonite party
Okay.
in the nick of time.
Oh.
Don't worry. Don't you even worry about it, my guy.
Well, luckily we had these 2 things lying around the kitchen.
Yeah, we got some pitted dates and we got some shredded coconut.
Oh my God.
So
let's get started.
Yeah, let's do this. All right, Bobby, so you just got back from Punta Cana, huh?
I did, the Dominican Republic.
Look at you all tan and stuff.
Look at me.
How did you manage to not burn?
Well, Brent.
That's ridiculous.
You know, I have a little bit of a vegan tip here.
What?
I did burn like crazy.
What? What do you mean?
I got horrible sunburns all over my belly,
yeah,
all over my arms, and you can see here I'm at the beach a lot. And you know, little tip since we're using
a little pro tip.
Today.
Is this a pro tip, Bobby?
Pro tip: if you have a sunburn, this works for me. If you take some coconut oil and rub it on that sunburn twice a day.
You mean like cooking coconut oil?
Like cooking coconut oil, any coconut oil.
Really?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. You rub it on your skin, and it makes your sunburn feel better.
You seemed so angry when you said that last time.
Yeah. I am angry. You know what? Because sunburns stink.
That's true.
And
you got me there.
Coconut oil will help fix the problem. So I rubbed it on my belly, rubbed it on my skin.
You oiled up.
Oiled up. The next morning, woke up.
Yep.
My sunburn became a tan.
Wow.
Yep.
Just like that. You like sizzled. You just fried your skin with some coconut oil.
Do you know how much coconut I had while I was down in the Dominican Republic?
How much?
Lots. Más coconut. Mucho coconut.
I think that's a really cool pro tip for everybody.
Yeah, so
just go ahead, just let yourself get burnt and then just heal yourself with the magic of coconut oil.
Yeah, it's actually a really cool way to heal your sunburns.
But try not to get sunburned to start with.
Yeah.
If you can help it.
Skin cancer. Okay.
All right, Bobby, we got 5 minutes to do this, so it's time for step 1. We're gonna take all these dates we have here. We got pitted dates here, which makes our lives easier. We're just gonna pour them in our food processor, along with just a bunch of coconut, and we're gonna process it until it's nice and smooth.
Okay, let's do it.
So let's do it, Bobby.
Let's pour it in.
Let's pour those bad boys in there.
Oh, I love the smell of dates, Brent.
Love the smell of fresh dates in the morning.
I've never had a bad date.
All right, so now we got some coconut here. Let's pour a bunch in there with that. That looks pretty good, just enough to coat it.
Yeah. Coconut.
To coke that nut.
Put the lime in the coconut.
With the coconut. And now we just gotta food process it.
Okay, Brent, we are here at the food processor.
Yes, so.
And let's process this food.
Let's process this food the only way a food processor knows how.
Oh my God, Brent.
What is your arm hair saying?
We only have 2 minutes.
Oh, dang.
So let's get this done.
All right, luckily we're really close. So we're on to step 2, which is the last step.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of our coconut we got here, just throw a bunch down on our pan here, spread it out, and then let's just start grabbing some of this stuff.
Oh man.
Drop it down in here.
Oh.
We're gonna make little balls by grabbing chunks, rolling it up.
Oh.
Like that.
Okay.
Get a little ball there.
Okay.
And then just coat it in the coconut. So roll it like you would like you're doing some Play-Doh or something.
Okay.
And then just throw that coconut on there. And just kind of
smush
it on there. Smush it in there.
Oh yeah, put the lime in the coconut.
And you'll drink them bowed up. Mm-hmm. Then you'll feel better. All right, Bobby, so I think we did it. We finished. And with time to spare, you're getting a preemptive taste to the date ball. You're not allowed to say what you think yet.
Okay.
So
I won't say what I think.
We'll be back with our final judgments.
Okay, Brent, we've made it to the party in time.
Cool. Why did we even have to take the car if it was just in the kitchen?
And we're the only two people at the party.
Yes, this is a sad party.
No one showed up.
And what kind of glass is this? It's almost a wine glass, but not quite.
It's a weird mix in between.
But hey, we did it. Cheers.
Nothing in it?
Nothing in it, but that's fine.
But yeah, so let's test out our own date balls.
Yeah, let's see how these came out. So
I'm really excited.
I think it's time to try one and then grade it out.
Okay, let's do it.
Well, how are we feeling about our little concoction here today?
Well, Brent, in terms of desserts,
yep,
I'm gonna give this an A.
A double A.
I'm just gonna give it an AA because you know what, Brent?
It's Alcoholics Anonymous.
This is something I will be very proud to present at a party.
Nice.
It's good. It's healthy.
It's good.
And
it's healthy.
Love it.
Wow, okay, cool. So how'd you feel about making it? Well, the process?
It was fast.
Yep.
It was easy.
Okay.
And honestly, we got it done for our party.
Yeah, it was not really easy and pretty cheap too. I think I spent $6 on the ingredients all together.
That's it?
Yeah.
So, oh my God.
Really quick, easy thing to whip up and bring to our little Mennonite party here.
Brent, enough about me.
Yep.
What did you think?
I'm also gonna go A.
Oh, give me 5. Give me some skin.
Woo! Yeah, super easy to make, really cheap. Yep, you're done with the Jack now?
Party's over.
Party's over, guys. Now time to get down to business.
Yep.
Time to get back to our parties. Cheers, multiple parties. Yep. Pinky up.
Pinky up.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of The Cooking Show with Bobby and Brent.
Go check out links below to get our Amazon affiliate code.
Yep.
You can go on Amazon just with the regular link.
Maybe buy yourself a food processor if you don't have one.
Some dates.
Guess what? We get a couple shekels from Mr. Bezos if you do it.
Yeah, Jeff Bezos.
We're just stealing money right out of his coffers.
He's just generous. He's just giving us money and
well, don't tell him that. If he knows, I don't even think he knows this is going on.
Yeah,
I feel like Bezos would show up here and take the money. He would take the pennies right back.
Well, he's already been here before.
He would put us like in a headlock because he's jacked.
He would just like give us a noogie
or something like that.
So so make sure you check out those links below. Check out our Patreon page where you can support us. All right, see you guys next time.
Bye. Cut my life into pieces.